we are gonna show how people can use our service. First, you should connect Bluetooth with the device and turn on the device. Click here. You can see blue light, right? And go to the setting menu and Bluetooth. You can see this application scanning devices. In order to know this device, the address of this device, you can find here on your device. It is still scanning, and you can find this device address on the list. Click here, and also you can see the light to change it red one to green one, which means you connected the Bluetooth with this device.